Baking with Gracie.
Hello, we're making cookies today. We're making Valentine cookies today, Mommy. So we're making cookie dough.
What's this?
A heart.
And what's this?
Arrow.
Arrow, good job. And this?
Axe.
Uh-huh. And this?
O.
Good job. You like making cookies?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna have to roll out some more dough. Hey, Gracie
Valentine.
and Mommy Adventures here. And here with Gracie cutting out cookies. You want to show them how you cut out a cookie?
Like, we do it like this. But there we go. Wow.
Bake at 350 for 11 to 12 minutes. Let cookies cool. Then decorate with royal icing. Recipe found at Sally's Baking Addiction. Please give our video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Gracie and Mommy Adventures.